Hey folks, I was recently sent some pretty cool attachments for my 5-inch Dewalt sander that I'm going to show you today. These were sent from the NYXCL store, and the box is labeled abrasives. This pack is perfect for those of you who own a 5-inch Dewalt sander because it includes a replacement pad that you can screw onto your sander that is the main Velcro that the hook and loop sanding pads attach to, as well as four of these thicker foam attachment pads that attach to your sander and lift or expand the space in between the sander and the sanding paper, and it makes the whole sanding process a lot more smooth. It's kind of like having a Mirka sander, but with your classic Dewalt sander, if that makes sense. At first, I was a little bit abrasive. No, I'm just kidding. I was a little bit apprehensive to accept this gift to make the video. But then I looked into it and I thought to myself, you know what? This could actually be a pretty useful pack. The pack comes in for just $19 or just under $19, and it includes, like I said, the pad that replaces the one that I'm taking off right now. You unscrew it from your Dewalt sander, and then it's pretty easy to install the new one. It also includes 4 5-inch interface pads that are designed to be soft yet durable. They're 0.5 inches thick. And the pad allows for the sandpaper to be a little bit more consistent when you're sanding, and it will also shrink in on those uneven surfaces, which is a very nice feature. And then lastly, it includes a 30-pack of the different sanding discs, 5-inch sanding discs with 8 holes that can easily Velcro onto your Dewalt sander. And there are different types. There's 100, 150, 180, 240, 320, and 400 grit. All in all, this is a great way to enhance your sander and upgrade it from its general basic use to being just a little bit better and for a pretty cheap price, which is nice. I found the disc backing pad to be very sturdy and durable, as well as the hole pads, the 4 of those. Those also seem to be pretty durable. And like I mentioned earlier, it really did actually help with the process of sanding. The 0.5 inch pad that is Velcroed in between the main backing and the sanding disc allows for the sanding to have some wiggle room with that durable yet flexible foam, and it's great for equalizing the sanding that you might be doing with this. It's perfect for lots of home improvement projects like woodworking or carving or even construction, carpentry work. The sanding discs that are included are definitely not as good as the higher quality sanding discs that you could get through someone like Diablo or even like Festool, but for the price, they're not bad. I did find after using one of the foam pads, the 0.5 inch foam pads that's in the middle for this chest restoration project that I'm working on, it did tend to squish on one side where I pressed the sander for sanding an edge, and after a while it did kind of squeeze and compress. But the good thing is that with this pack you receive 4 of those foam pads, and so when one goes bad you can switch it out for another one. And once again, the price is not too bad. It's only $19 for this 35-piece pack, and it really does help with the sanding process. And you'll see here as I start to sand this top of this chest lid that it goes pretty fast. Additionally, the sanding pad, that 0.5 inch foam pad that I keep referencing, protects the backing that's up against your sander that you screw on. And all in all, it will protect your sander. So seriously, you can't go wrong with buying one of these. I've never used a Mirka sander, or even really a Festool sander, those high-end sanders that cost a lot of money. But when I added those pads, and I started using my Dewalt sander with those pads, I felt like I had a high-end sander, which is kind of exciting. Maybe I'm naive in believing that this is similar, but sometimes it's nice living in bliss. Ignorance is bliss, right? But no, seriously, this is a pretty good deal, and I highly recommend after trying it. And they actually sent me a whole nother pack, which I'm excited to use. Thank you, Frank, for sending me that. Thanks to this company for promoting this through my channel, NYXCL Store. Thank you. The store also has a number of different packages for different size sanders, especially 2-inch quick sanding discs. So if you have that, that's also an option. There is a link for this pack down in the description below, like I mentioned, and if you have any questions or comments, you should put them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, Second Son Woodworks, and you like this kind of content, reviews of tools and supplies, and or how-to videos related to woodworking or carpentry, then you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it so that you stay notified when I release new project videos. The content that I put out on this channel is free to anybody who is interested, and I don't really make a lot of money from this. I sometimes get free things like this abrasives pack, but otherwise I do it just because I'm a woodworker and I want to give back to the woodworking community. So support me. Alright, we'll see you next time.